today the date is 13th of May. Okay, 13th of May, 10:30 right now. Okay, let's look at the market outlook right now for this week. Okay, let's first thing first go to S&P 500. Okay, so S&P 500, so S&P 500 chart. Let's go to daily chart. Okay, remove all these things. Okay, so last week S&P 500 chart. Okay, this is the last S&P 500 chart. We can see from here mid resistance. Okay, we have mentioned that S&P 500 is reaching a resistance. Okay, it didn't clear the resistance. Unlike the Nasdaq, it's clear resistance. This one has not clear resistance, and right now is pulling back. Okay, it's pulling back. We can see from here it has broken the trough line over this part, and right now we will look at MA later. Okay, but this is the chart right now. Okay, so when we put in the 2040 MA, we can see from here the price didn't make a new high, and then failed to capture another new high again from this 10 MA, 20 MA, failed to capture new high, swing here, which didn't capture a new high, and then right now has pulled back down. So in the swing trade setup, we will not take this trade because it's not a recent high. Okay, it's not a recent high, unlike here. Okay, this is a recent high. Furthermore, for the swing trade, this is already below 40 MA, unlike the previous time when it's make a recent high, pull back, okay, pull back, below, above 40 MA, above 40 MA. This time is below 40 MA, didn't make recent high. So in this swing, we will not take anymore. Okay, the last swing didn't succeed. Okay, after 1, 2, third round. Okay, in fact, it's the fourth round. 1, 2, 3 is the fourth round of the swing. Okay, we can see from here, CCI low, swing high, CCI low, swing high, CCI low here, swing high, CCI low here, swing high one day only, and then after that come back down again. Okay, so right now, at this moment, we will not be so aggressive into the long position simply because the price is below the 40 MA, and also because it didn't make new high, unlike the few times before this. Okay, unless a few times before this, they always make new high. Okay, so this is on the daily charts. Any question? So support. Okay, right now we are at support. You can see from here this two tail here. This is support. This is the previous resistance. Support will be around this area right now. Okay, if this area get broken, then we will go down to maybe this area here. Okay, resistance is the same. Resistance is over here right now. Okay, can the rest here? Okay, good. Can okay, any question? Okay, good. Thanks for following me. Okay, so next is thanks for replying also. Sometimes do webinar, it's good to have people to interact with. Okay, so we can see from here, price has broken for weekly charts. Price has broken above the 40 MA. Okay, the time we stop shorting anymore because it broke the 40 MA. Right now is above the 40 MA. However, right now is hitting resistance. I feel that on a weekly chart, this is a short-term pullback. Short-term, I'm talking about maybe back to this area or this area. Okay, it's a short-term pullback right now. Okay, it is not a trend reversal yet. Okay, because we can see from here that there is actually buying pressure at both this level. Okay. Okay, and furthermore, today, now it's May. May is always the sell in May kind of thing. Okay, but I think on the longer term, if it pull back into this MA, okay, look out for trade setup. Okay, we will see whether we can go long again because this MA is doing this, and then this is doing this way. Okay, so if the price go down to this way, okay, maybe there's an opportunity for a swing again. Okay. But this will come maybe in June or something like that, or July even. Okay. So I think not so fast. Okay. Any question? Okay. So no question. We can go to Nasdaq. Okay. Nasdaq a little bit different. Let's look at Nasdaq. Okay. So we have Nasdaq. We have it broken the resistance. Okay, we can see from here, it clearly breaks the resistance over here. Clearly breaks resistance over here. There is a pause over here, which is this doji candle here. There was this doji candle here. However, this doji candle didn't remain. Okay, it breaks below the doji candle. Right now, it's trying to form bottom. Okay, the area of support is the next area of support is around this area. Okay. This is the next area of support. Okay, the only thing is because it has broken down 40 MA, okay, and didn't make recent high. Unlike the previous time, look at the CCI. Every time when it breaks, if we go to CCI low, it always make a recent high. So this time round, it didn't make recent high. It had this jigger and then more like a sideways trend now. Okay. Okay, Nasdaq is the Nasdaq exchange. Nasdaq 100 is the index. Okay. We're looking at the index. Okay. So next we go to Hang Seng. Okay, Hang Seng. Okay, this is the area of support also. Okay, so you notice that a lot of charts are going to the area of support. Okay, you can see from here, this is also getting the area of support around here. Okay. But price has broken down 40 MA. You can see clearly here, price has broken down 40 MA. And right now, price is below the 40 MA already. Okay, on the weekly chart, however, it's a bit different. Okay, look at the weekly charts for Hang Seng. Look at the weekly charts for S&P. The charts is different, right? Okay, this is weekly chart for Hang Seng. Okay, this is weekly chart for S&P. Is it different? So you can see from here, this is weekly chart for S&P. The MA has not yet crossed. Okay, it's more like a sideways trend. However, we're going to see look at the Hang Seng on the weekly charts. You can see that the trend has clearly turned. Okay, the trend has clearly turned from here, and right now provide area of support. In fact, right now the CCI has dropped below. Of course, it may not stop this week. Okay, it may not stop this week. We want to wait for the candle to slow down. Okay, the candle maybe make a smaller candle over here, this region. Okay, this region slow down, CCI low. Okay, then we want to wait for a trade setup when it clears the high again. Okay, right now has not happened yet. Okay, but let's see how it goes. Okay, the support, the key support, I think is around this region. Okay, this region here is a key of support. Okay, so what you want to look for is right now pullback. Okay, into my 2040 MA. Look for pause. Okay, look for reversal. This one will come maybe in a few weeks time, not so fast maybe. Okay. Any question on the Hang Seng weekly chart? There is a weekly trade setup right now. May not be triggered immediately, but we need to wait for a week, maybe 2 weeks. Okay, right now we can count candle, right? You count for 1, this 2. Okay, this is consider here is considered 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish. Okay, then down 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now it's this leg over here. There's a small jigger over here, but this is the leg down over here. So wait for 1 more week or 2 more weeks, we will see. Okay. Okay, so actually, Asia may be more interesting than US actually right now. Okay, Asia may be more interesting than US simply because it's because the market, right, telling us that China has actually more potential upside also. Let's look at, let's do immediately. Let's do, this is China also, okay? Yeah, I'm going to do it, okay? So that's the reason why China, okay, China, A50, A. Okay, China, China was maybe also more accommodating also. Okay, so they are a bit switching their policies right now, right? To a more accommodating strategies, to more accommodative policies. Okay, so you can see from here, this is the weekly charts. Okay, the weekly charts, we can see right now, this was the pause. This was the pause on the weekly chart. This was a zoom up. Okay, right now, a tail here, a tail here. There's another tail here. This right now is the area of support. Okay, support, resistance, support. Okay, so right now it's the area of support for A50. Okay, how to know that if this area can go lower is maybe you look at this part. Okay, if it goes below 12,380, then it will be further downside. If not, then right now, because of this two tail, we are looking for area of support. Okay, we are looking for area of support. Okay, how to know that it's going to switch up again? I think not so fast, not so fast. But eventually, when it switch up again, then will be okay. Eventually, it switch up again. I would think it's maybe around 12,870. Can you see? Oh, CCI low right now. Okay, so now it's the pause. Okay, Picatima, okay. You are the A50 person, okay. No question? Okay, index, any question? Are we okay? Okay, interesting how the S&P 500, right? Meet resistance and pull back. You all see that? Okay. Oh, meet resistance and pull back. And plus May also. So I think there was a coordination of pulling back. Okay. Next, we go to the individual stocks. Okay. Do you have any stocks in mind? Okay, this is US. These are the weak stocks. These are the strong stocks. What are some of the strong stocks that we talk about? Qualcomm is one of the strong stocks we talk about. Okay. Or one of the strong stocks we talk about. Qualcomm. Okay. Guys, this is a strong stock. Okay, there's a swing setup right now. Oh, can you see? Price come down. The swing setup. Okay. Only thing is this one is a bit parabolic. This one is parabolic higher, you know. Oh, but these are strong stocks. Okay, so this one. You can see. Oh, this one didn't pull back to the 20 MA, but CCI low already. Likelihood is a 10 MA and then starting pull. Nothing to pull back already. I think it's starting to go up already. CINF. Okay, resistance is around here, 96.57. Look for it to clear 96.57. I think it will have another upside again. Okay. XC, I think we talked about this also. Okay, so this one is slowly trying to creep up. Okay, resistance is around here. 57.50. For this 57.50. Okay, so let's go to your stocks, individual stocks. DDS. DBS is dividend paid 60 cents. Depending on your time frame, okay, depending on your time frame, whether you are Ryan, whether you're long term or short term, it may be different, okay? Whether you're long term or short term will be different. So are you long term or short term? So if you're long term, then you look at weekly charts, okay? Not daily charts, but go to weekly charts, okay? Weekly charts, then next thing you look at the pullback, okay? Right now it's pulling back, maybe same thing, a bit similar to the this one, the MA is stopping up. Right now the price has pulled back, okay? Into the MA, you look for the next swing high, okay? So that make recent high, yes or no? It will make recent high, so it's pulling back and then going up, okay? So in this volatile market, which is more suitable, swing position, both also can, okay? If you are swing, okay, daily, you are swing daily, then you are looking for swing buy, correct? Because we know that the last 5 days has dropped down, swing buy. So in fact, the next few days, I'm looking for swing buy for daily, okay? For swing weekly charts, I will likelihood is going to be another maybe 1 or 2 more weeks before the thing trigger. For weekly swing will likely be a few more weeks. Okay, daily swing likely next 1-2 days will have already, but weekly swing I think maybe still got 1-2 more weeks. Okay, and then for position trade, generally I'll still be looking at position long. Okay, because the price. Most of the index is still above the 40-week moving average. So I'll still look for position long for entry. In fact, if you entered over the last few months, if you entered a lot of stocks, they have not have sell signal yet. Okay, not a sell signal yet for position trade. Correct or not? Some of them have pullback, but they may not have a candlestick turn rate yet. Okay, so okay, got it. Oh, Pikatema, do you get it? Okay, so next, let's go to. So I think time frame can trade, but depend on your what is your time frame. But I think all market can trade. Disney. This Disney, okay. So so you can let's say you break into 3, okay. Position trade long already, right? So right now waiting for the next buy signal. Position trade, okay. This for position trade. For swing trade, already got set up ready, get ready to set up, okay? CCI low, this one, next few days, looking for swing high. Okay, for position, already entered, waiting for next enter. Swing trade, waiting for next enter. Weekly trade, weekly swing no lah, weekly swing don't have, because weekly swing need to pull back. So only got swing trade, daily chart, or position trade, okay, these two, okay? So this is how you look at the chart. Every chart also can do the same thing. You can look at it 5 days for swing trade, 5 weeks for weekly swing, or even 5 months. For example, 5 months is for position trading. Okay, that's 5 months. Okay, swing, weekly swing, position. Okay, so almost all stock you can do the same. Okay, so next one is YUMC with daily swing. Okay. YUM. Okay. So daily swing, go to daily. Okay. So price is recent high. Okay. Pull back down. MA is here. CCI is low. So here, right, we always talk about what are the things not so good. So we have here, we have the tail. Okay. This is a rejection. Too long tail over here. Price may likely find back this tail again. Okay, so it's not bad, this trade is not bad. Okay, So CCI is low. Now key is to wait for trigger. Trigger will be around this area. So we're looking for it to test high. Okay. It may not break new high because of the sell pressure here, but from here to here, you have enough risk reward, okay, to trade. Okay. And the other day is about risk reward, right now. Okay, Alan, so you want to see whether got risk reward. Okay. Next is BLK. BLK, and let's do one by one. BLK. Swing setup. Yes, it's still valid. Okay, it's still valid. Okay. So you can see from here, buy pressure. Okay. You can draw one trend line down. Okay. Either draw a trend line down, or if you use previous day high, then you may have triggered already. So you have triggered already, your stop loss will be here, below here. This will be your stop loss. Okay. So now you're looking for the next few days to see whether they can go higher. Okay. If you have not entered, then look for this price again for $464.70 for it to trigger. Okay. Same thing for here. Okay. If you have not entered, you wait for 137.50 to trigger. Stop loss is below here. You may not want to put all the way down here. Okay, you can put maybe here 133.90. Okay, this will be a stop loss. This will be a trigger. This will be a target. Okay. MLM. Okay, same thing. Okay, quite a lot of stocks like that. Okay, so we have this. Okay, quite a lot of daily swing. Next 1-2 days, next 1-2 days, quite a lot of daily swing setup. Yes or no? Okay, for position trade, right? For position trade, also I think got some, not maybe too many arrows already, but there are some stocks that maybe have buy setup also. Okay. For weekly swing, I think not yet. Okay, weekly swing maybe into it for further pullback. Okay. Any other question? Singapore stocks. The reason why I look at Singapore stocks is also because I was writing, right? Like Singapore stocks really, if nobody helps Singapore stocks, maybe next time no more Singapore stocks. So I don't know. Yeah. So is there any opportunity in Singapore stocks or not? In fact, the opportunities is really not in the REITs, I feel. Okay, REITs, everybody is rushing into buying REITs, all these things for yield. Yeah, you can buy for yield, right? But really, if Singapore stocks has a lot of, not for trading, I would say, more for investing. If Singapore stocks, there are gems, that means small cap gems or small mid cap gems. I think there are. The only question is maybe you cannot trade them. Okay, so maybe you buy and hold them. But I think you need to do a bit of FA for Singapore stocks. For the typical, those blue chip, so-called, like I think if you want to trade blue chip, then must have to trade US. If you want to trade blue chip, must have to trade US. But let's say I'll find Singapore stocks, maybe you'll look for like gems and then buy them and then hold them. You know, because if you see, right, the price movement is not as nice, okay, as compared to the other markets. Okay, so you have OCBC all pay dividend, okay, all coming down. After this dividend, they are down. Okay, now maybe back to the area of support right now. Okay. Position buy, you can look at this. Yeah, you can look for the next swing high. Okay, next swing high. So you go to daily charts, look for swing. You have to position buy. You wait for it to stop dropping and then start slowly creep up. Okay, you can use this trend line as the guide. Okay. So you all get the picture for Singapore market. Okay, so let me just summarize. Announcement first. Next, this coming today there is a live trading class. I don't know whether you know about this live trading class. It's at CMC Markets. Okay, from 7 p.m. onwards. Live trading, what it means is tonight we will do a scan again. Then we will go into the system to key in the trades and things like that. Tomorrow there is a preview. Okay, please help us to spread the word. Okay, if you have any friends that can benefit from our community, please bring them down to the preview. Okay, it's tomorrow at 7 p.m. at Trading Place. Okay, the next one is for one more announcement. I noticed that the Facebook group is very quiet. Okay, if you all want to benefit more from the community, right? One of the things you can do, right, is to really participate, ask questions, find some trades, and put up in the Facebook group. Okay, that's where you actually can learn about learn more. Okay, so I encourage you all to do that. Okay, I encourage you all to book posts on the Facebook group. Okay, encourage you all to bring your friends down to build our community together. Okay, so last one Noah asked is how to find swing sell. Example of swing sell right now in the market. Right now swing sell difficult because, okay, I will find, but it's because the market over last 5 days last few days has dropped. So swing sell, because swing sell you need to look for buy, right? Okay, you look for buy. So swing sell you need to look for rally, right? To swing sell down. So it will be a bit more challenging, but never mind. Let me go find one and show you. Okay. So daily, this one not so nice. You know what I mean? Right now it's difficult to find because last few days market has dropped. So for swing sell, you need market to go up to do a swing sell. Maybe this is an example of a swing sell. Okay? Noah, okay? Yes. Okay, because last few days market is down, so we can swing buy. This is an example of swing sell. Can you see not? TLRY. Noah? Okay? Then you wait for it to price to go higher, maybe into this region, and then break low, and then you swing sell down. Okay? Okay, if not, then thank you very much, everyone. Remember to post on the Facebook. Remember to bring some friends, build our community together for tomorrow. Bring them to preview, okay? Or just lead them to the preview. If not, then see you. Okay, Noah, see you tonight. Okay, bye-bye.